Here I have BLACKVIEW BV9000 and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the list of the settings, so it's here, this icon, scroll down and tap on date and time, it's under system. And here you can set either automatic date and time, so it's the default setting, or you can switch it off, so just you can select automatic date and time as a network provided time, GPS provided, or you can switch it off over here, so let's switch it off. And now you can set date and time manually by yourself. You can also switch off automatic time zone, just tap on this switcher, and now you can select the time zone by yourself, so just pick whichever time zone you want to have. And finally, you can use either 24-hour format clock, the casual one, or you can switch it off by tapping on this icon, this switcher, and now you will have just 12-hour format clock, so it's up to you. Then if you would like to go back to default settings, just tap on these icons, and then if you would like to go back to automatic date and time, just click on automatic date and time and select the one that you would like to have. So in my case, it will be use network provided time. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.